So guys, right now hiding the eggs for from the kids because right they're with Auntie Jean inside the house. So we're trying to make it as discreet as possible. So we'll see if they can find out where we're putting it. My guess is we will see. There. No looking! Someone is speaking? Right here. This one's a very secret spot. Right here. Oh, Popsy, yours is very obvious. You did very obvious ones. Let me do elsewhere, right? I'm gonna do one here in this chair. So that's where they're hiding, with the door closed, of course. Where else? In this area. Oh, one here. There's a wheelbarrow. So right there. We're trying to make it as obvious, but also like very secretive. It rains so bad, the mud is so thick. Over there.
Maybe it's poop.
Oh, ew. Is that from the dog? Yeah. Ew. Do you remember where you put yours? Oh, they're peeking.
Not yet, no.
You have to get their buckets too.
Right there.
There's a chocolate. It's okay. Just leave it. It probably got a no. It probably came out.
I'll just eat it.
See. So. Oh, Giga has 3 more. Okay. Very.
I don't know where to put it.
Oh no. Well, Giga and you those are very obvious. Where do you want to put the last 2?
I could not recall where did I put it.
You have to remember the other one too on the tree. It's like a Christmas tree, an Easter tree. Oh,
That's fine.
it's fine.
Okay.
They have to remember though.
Okay, let's go call them up.
They have to get their buckets. Whoever gets the most.
Okay.
Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Run! Get your buckets! Get your buckets!
Go find.
Who has the most? Come on,
Go.
Go, get your buckets! Run, Thunder, go!
I saw one.
Go, Thunder, go! Mavee, Clementine!
Go find Clementine. Go. Search the area.
Go! Oh, wow!
Get some of the flowers. Oh my gosh.
Go! Come on! Oh, Mavee's back!
Yes.
Oh! Clementine, go!
I saw that.
But they're gonna have
Go run. There's one right there. There's one.
go.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Come on, Clementine! Oh, look at that!
Here. Bonus point.
Bonus point! Go, Clementine, go! Oh, wow!
I found.
You guys are... It's okay!
Run there, Clementine. Run there. Clementine.
Oh!
Everywhere.
I found one. Mavee.
Come on.
Clementine, give up.
Gave up. Go, there's more.
Probably might be
Clementine.
somewhere. Go. You have to be active, Clementine.
There's some more, come on.
Clementine, come here.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you, Thunder.
Uh-oh.
There's egg there. There's egg. Go. Go get it.
Go get it.
Clementine, here.
You went past it instead.
Go.
Go get it, Clementine. There's another one coming when you come back up. Come. It's okay.
There's more here. Oh, you got more.
Wow.
Let me find them.
I get Mavee egg.
Oh, you gave one to Mavee?
Oh, Auntie Gian, yay! Helping Clementine. Is that it?
Yeah, look.
I see one more.
Don't make it obvious. Where is it? I see one. Right there. It's right before your eyes, guys. Clementine, use your eyes. Use your eyes. Use your eyes. It's very obvious.
Just your eyes.
Use
It's
your
around
eyes.
this area. It's around this area.
Don't get it.
Oh, Mavee got
found
it.
Okay, find another one. Find another
Okay,
one.
don't make it obvious.
There's another one. There's another one, Thunder. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you.
Where is it?
Look up. Look up.
Baby, don't be obvious.
Find it. It's around this area.
Is that the last one?
I didn't win.
You both of you win. Clementine, Mavee, and Thunder win.
I won again.
Again?
Yeah.
Look.
Go! Mav got it.
Okay, there's another one. There's another one. There's another one.
There's another one somewhere.
Do you remember? Maybe that was a miss. No, you guys did great.
I won again.
Part 2?
I won again.
Oh yeah, that was
And
mine.
we found
Oh
two
girl, oh yay!
Okay, you win.
Good
you
job,
win.
yay!
You got 2.
That was my hiding, yeah.
Huh? Okay, we'll find more. We'll find more.
Good job, Clementine. Where? There should be somewhere.
Clementine.
Oh, there's another one. Go, 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 go.
That's why you have
You have to
use your
keep
eyes.
looking.
Keep
We're
looking.
hunting for you guys. Anything else?
Where's Mavee now?
Oh, she's crying. Good job.
Good job, Thunder, Clementine,
Clementine, where's
Mavee?
Mavee? Congratulations.
Mavee won. Congratulations.
Thunder and Mav won.
Congratulations, Mavee.
Congratulations.
Mavee, you won. You won.
You both won. High five, Thunder.
Your nose.
Mavee.
Your nose.
Mavee, high five, Mavee.
Both
High
of you.
five.
Hey, you guys. Look.
Good job, Clementine.
Again.
Oh, this is Mavee. That's yours. Here. That's Mavee's.
Okay, there you go. Good job.
Get out
No, you won already.
Again?
You won. You won.
Thunder won. Clementine won.
Again.
Again? Last time? Okay, baby, can you
Yeah.
hide?
Okay, let me hide it.
The whole bucket.
Put all your eggs here.
Then we'll start again.
We'll start
Part
again.
2. That's easy, yeah. It's okay. I think we found out. It's okay, just leave it so it's obvious for them. It's very muddy. See that? Okay, they're ready now? Let's go!
Let's go. Ready?
Part 2! Run, run, run!
Wait.
Wait.
Go, so let's get be equal.
Here.
So it'll be equal time out there.
Wait.
Not yet.
Ready?
Set,
Go.
go! Run, Clementine! Oh, really? Oh, help Clementine, baby. She needs it. She needs help. Help her. Go, go, go!
Oh yeah.
Mavee, so fast! Oh, Thunder's right there! You guys are so quick! Clementine's just following me. Go, Clementine, go! There's a lot on the grass. Come on, guys! Thunder! Mav, come on! Who's getting the most? Thunder, I see more! Yay! Good! Go, go, go! It's okay! Just the mud. It's okay. Oh, you want here? Clementine, right here. Clementine, right here. Okay, I'll give it to Thunder. Here, I'll get Thunder. Right there. Oh, here, Mavee. Oh, here, there. Come on, you got it. Come on, Thunder. Collect. Wow, they're dropping from the sky. Clementine, here. Clementine, here. Yeah.
I found more.
Wow.
Go near the gate.
Near the gate. Go to the gate. Go to the gates right there.
Clementine, come here.
Where is it, Clementine?
Right here. I see one right here.
Oh, I see. Oh, there's a purple one. Who sees it? I see it. Oh, Mavee got it. Okay, come on, another one. Thunder.
Thunder, come here. Right there. Come here, Thunder, come here.
Thunder.
This way, this way. This way. Run, 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 run.
No, man!
Where is it?
Oh, Thunder, I see it. Oh, no, no. Oh, thank you, ma'am. Good job. Very nice.
Good job.
You guys did good. Anything else?
Okay, hug each other, hug each other.
Hug each other. Good game.
Good sport.
Good sports. Good. Hug, hug, hug.
Oh, Thunder sharing now. Okay,
Oh,
good.
wow.
Hug each other, hug.
Hug, hug, hug. Come in, hug, hug. Oh, come and go. Good job, guys. Very nice.